Ultimate World Cruise tea time, day 77. Let's talk. Today marks day 5 at sea since leaving Hawaii. Tomorrow they will arrive in French Polynesia. I bet people are going to be very happy to be able to get off the ship after 5 days at sea. Voting on the different itinerary options is still underway. The last day to vote is February 26th. So if you haven't voted and you're eligible, please vote, vote, vote. Option 1, option 1, option 1. Thankfully we have campaign signs. Option 1, option 1. Did get an update from Miss Adita. She hasn't posted in a few days, but looks like we have a new snack edition, or improved snack edition on the boat, but there's still one missing thing that she's looking for. So I'll hand it over to her.
We have some exciting news. We got a popcorn machine. Because up to now, they've just been popping some popcorn somewhere mysterious in the kitchen and bringing out a bowl of popcorn by the movie theater. But now we actually have a real popcorn machine, and the popcorn is actually much better. It's really, really good. Still no blender. So I keep asking, and they keep saying they're trying to find one to make my milkshakes. But in the meantime, I'm having to run whenever I want a milkshake, take the ice cream to one bar and get the milk from another bar and go to another bar that has a blender to get my milkshake. Anyways, still dealing with that.
Come on, Royal. Get Miss Adita her milkshake machine. Get her a blender dedicated to some milkshakes. I already got hard ice cream out for the passengers. Got a popcorn machine. Let's get a blender. Let's get some shakes going on that ship. Things between Joe, our lovely dad of the boat, and Chrissy 50 and Cranky, who's going to be joining in Australia, are starting to heat up, and they're starting to call out the big guns. So let's go to Joe, and I'll throw it over to Chrissy.
So I'm sitting here having cocoa and donuts with Santa Claus, who decided he's on here on vacation after working at the North Pole and getting off in December.
Good morning. How is everyone today?
3 naughty children.
3 naughty children.
3 naughty children.
That's not good.
No.
But it's early in the year, so
It's
they
early
can
in the
make
year.
it up.
But here's the naughty list, Santa.
Oh.
And Christy and Christian Hall are coming on the ship later. And Christian is a very naughty boy, gonna get in trouble. Christy wants to break into the laundry room with Tam. So those are our naughty children.
Looks like Joe, aka Crew's mum and dad, has brought in the big guns. Santa, yep, you heard right. Santa has brought Santa in, and a list has been created of those good and naughty. And it appears that Tam, myself, and Christian are appearing on the naughty list. Look, I just want to let you know, though, okay, just so for future reference, I can at any stage get the Easter Bunny on the line. Yes, I can. I do have a direct line to the Easter Bunny, and I will use that line if required, when required, if needed. Okay.
So yes, big guns are being pulled out. I can't wait till Christian Hall replies, responds to all of this lovely drama that is forming on board and off board. Oh, it's gonna be so good. March 11th just can't get here quick enough. Well, that is all I have for you today on day 77. I'm gonna go update my resume for like the 7th time because, you know, that's so much fun applying for jobs. Yay, wish me luck. And I'll enjoy the rest of the night, hopefully. Hopefully y'all do the same. And I'll talk to y'all again tomorrow.